following has been developed by state and provincial agencies in association with the Agency for Instructional Television. Together, serving education.
I know those old glasses are up here somewhere. I just wish I could remember where I put them. You certainly don't want my old wedding dress, nor the letters Tony wrote me while we were courting.
What's that picture?
Oh, that's Tony, my husband. He was a second lieutenant.
Raj, look! At least let me see them. Anyway, they're not yours.
You may have them, but you must share them.
Right. Cliff, divvy them up. Okay, okay. Cliff, come here. It really looks different from up here. You can see the convalescent center.
They certainly haven't much of a view.
That's our class project.
Is that where you're going to have your yard sale?
No, that's what the yard sale is for. With the money we make on the yard sale, we're going to buy flowers and bushes and then we're going to fix up a flower garden in the yard at the convalescent center. So they'll have something really nice to look at.
That's a good idea. And here at last are those glasses.
Are you sure you want to give these away?
That and a couple of dozen more just like it.
But they must be worth an awful lot of money.
They do say things like this are coming back in style. But I haven't used them in years, and I never will. And they don't do anybody any good up here in this attic. I'm glad they're going to help buy flowers for the convalescent center. Just handle them carefully. They won't make any money for you if they're broken.
Wait, how much should we charge for them?
The way prices keep changing these days, I have no idea. You'd better ask somebody else. Now you be careful.
It's hard to say what they're worth.
But Mom, you have to put some kind of a price on them. Should it be $5 for the box, or 10, or what?
Oh, more than that, maybe $45 for all 28.
But nobody around here can pay that much money for glasses.
Well, you don't have to sell them all together.
Susan, come here a minute.
I'll check with you later to see how you're doing.
Well, I guess we'll just have to sell them one at a time for a couple dollars a piece. That won't work. Nobody wants one glass. They want a set, like a of a kind, or at least 4. Okay, 4 than 4. There has to be a better way. Light bulb cartons. Light bulb cartons? They hold 4 light bulbs. So put the glasses in light bulb cartons. Great, but where are you going to get the cartons? Underneath my sister's bed. She's taking ceramics, and she saves them for packing all of her clay junk. How many boxes should I get? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. Enough for 28 glasses. But how many cartons do we need? Well, how much is 28 times 4? Nisha, how much is 28 times 4? 112. Hey, wait a minute. That doesn't make any sense. 112 boxes for 28 glasses? That can't be right. Maybe we should add 28 plus 4 is... If we can put 4 of them into each light bulb carton. So what we really want to know is how many groups of 4 are there in 28?
We'll have to set them out in 4s.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 4 and 28.
Do you know what we just did?
We just divided 28 by 4.
I'd better get a move on.
Roger, that's dumb. I don't care. You have to buy 4. See?
But I don't want 4. I only want 2.
Why don't we sell her 2? But how much would 2 cost?
There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. She had so many children, she didn't know what to do. At first, it wasn't too bad, because they were small enough for all 12 of them to fit into one shoe. But they grew and grew, and soon only 4 of them could fit into the shoe. The old woman had a problem. It was obvious that she now needed more than one shoe in order to house her 12 large children. But how many shoes did she need altogether? She decided to draw a picture to help her see the problem. What did she know? That she had 12 children. What else? That she wanted to divide them into groups of 4. What did she need to know? How many groups of 4 she had? Well, all she had to do was count them. 1, 2, 3. So the old woman bought 2 more shoes, and now had 3 shoes altogether, into each of which she put 4 children. Problem solved. Now there's a rumor that before sending her children to bed, the old woman used to give them some broth without any bread. This is not true. Quite the contrary. She gave them so much bread, in fact, that in the days when all 12 of them lived together in one shoe, the baker had to deliver no fewer than 24 loaves of bread every single day. But now that the children were divided equally among 3 shoes, it was the baker's turn to have a problem. How many loaves should he deliver to each shoe? The old woman told him he should draw a picture.
Hey!
What did he know? That he had to deliver 24 loaves of bread. What else did he know? That he had to deliver these 24 loaves to 3 shoes. Now all he had to do was put 1 loaf into each of 3 groups until all the loaves were gone. 1 loaf here, 1 here, and 1 here. Start again. 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here, and so on. until all the loaves were gone. How many in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the baker now knew that he had to deliver 8 loaves to each shoe every morning, which meant 1, 2 loaves for each child. Now you know why the old woman's children grew so fast.
Boys, it works out to 48 geraniums and 36 begonias.
That's great! Are you sure we can afford that much?
Well, you made lots of money at that yard sale. I'll let you pick out the ones you want. Just hop to it and let me know if you need any help.
Okay, we'll do the 3 in front and you do the 3 in back for a total of 6 flower beds. If we want to make 6 flower beds, we have to figure out...
Couldn't we just start planting them and see how far they went?
Sure, and we might have to take them up again and move them around. Okay, what do we know? We know we have 48 geraniums and 36 begonias, so...
Wait a minute, let's take them one at a time. Forget the begonias. We have 48 geraniums.
and 6 flower beds to plant. So let's make 6 groups of plants.
There has to be an easier way.
You don't have to do all of this. It's just like the problem with the glasses. What we really want to know is how many groups of 6 there are in 48.
Right.
So let's divide 48 by 6.
Why didn't I think of that?
So there will be 8 geraniums in each flower bed. So 36 divided into 6 equal groups gives us 6 begonias in each flower bed.
Let's get to work.
I've been thinking about your project and, well, compliments of Grumbuck's Garden Shop. 12.5 petunias, 18 scarlet sage, 24 boxes of pansies, assorted colors, and 42 market packs of impatiens.
It Figures, a component of the Skills Essential to Learning project, was produced by the Illinois State Board of Education under the supervision of the Agency for Instructional Television.